right. The feast has been served. The feast has been served. Little guy is back for seconds. Except this time I put a plate full of water on one side and strawberry pancakes on the other. Yes, I know this is too good to be true. I understand. Right now, that little guy is thinking, what is going on here? What is happening? Have my prayers been answered? I mean, think about it. Freaking strawberry pancakes, dude, and water, you're saved. You live to fight another day. Go ahead, buddy. Take a sip. Look at this. Oh, this is awesome. Oh, yeah. Oh, he's drinking. Look at that. Aww. I've been saved. Oh, my God. I'm set. I am freaking set. El Jefe does it again, baby. That's right. That's how we roll. We only kill for food, but we also give back when we can. I really haven't killed anything in a long time. Now we do have a pending problem in our home, which I'll talk about later. Little pest issue. Uh-oh. I bet you that little guy's gonna finish all those pancakes before we're done. Not hurting anybody. They're just feeding him. They're just giving him a fighting chance. Here's the view. He just keeps looking out the window, trying to figure how to get out, but doesn't realize it's just the glass. It's a glass window. Look at this. He's like, oh my God, it's time to try the strawberries. Yeah, baby. Come on. Come to Birdie. Oh yeah. Oh, here I go. Oh, try it. Yes. Try it. I know he's thinking this is way too good to be true. God has answered my prayers. Strawberry pancakes and water. I bet you he woke up this morning and he was thinking to himself, if there's anything I could have, what would it be? I'm screwed in here. I can't get out. I've been stuck in here for a week with no food. I know what I want. I want some strawberry pancakes with some water. And just like that, his prayers are answered. God works in mysterious ways, little birdie. Now don't be greedy. Bring your other friends. I know there's 3 other birds up there watching you, and they're too chicken to come down. You can take some of that upstairs to them. Go ahead. I hope you guys like this video, and I hope this video tells you a little bit about us. This is the kind of people we are. This is the kind of people we are. We're in tune with nature. We're in tune with the things around us. And here we are, stuck at the airport. And we're doing something good at the same time. This is cool. Why not? Little birdie is stuck. We're just helping him out. And he's giving a lot to us also. He's giving us this content, this video that we're recording for you, and you can help us out by hitting like and subscribing. You know, it'll help us out. It doesn't cost you anything. It means a lot to us. He's not even scared anymore. Oh man, he tried those strawberries. Yes, sir. There's the rest of my gang. Prayers haven't been answered, little guy. Yes, indeed. I know, if I could find you a way out, I would. I wonder if we could catch him and just take him outside. Kind of sucks, buddy, I know.